How to put an NGL link on Facebook bio. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to put an NGL link on Facebook bio. To start the process, open your NGL application in your mobile device. Now copy the NGL link from here. After that, open your Facebook application. Then tap on Menu on your top right corner. Now, go to your profile. Here tap on Edit Profile. After that, tap on Add next to the bio. Now paste the NGL link here. Tap on Save. Now that we've added our NGL link, let's head back to your profile and see if it's showing up in your Facebook bio. As you can see, our NGL link has been added to our Facebook bio. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.